Hey y'all. So, what y'all think we should do? As y'all can see, I finally got the little one working, the small humidifier. Ice baby girl, I got this shorty working again. But yeah, the little one is going. What do y'all think? What should we do? Should we go live and munch some? But yes, it will be alive with talking. The non-talking videos won't be alive, and it will just be recorded videos. But y'all tell me what we should do. Let's just look at it together right now.